Right now, we're seeing an unusual spike in sentiment at plus 0.57, significantly above the historical baseline. This indicates a sudden positive shift in how investors feel about investing, likely driven by recent news or market developments. Coupled with a momentum score of plus 0.30, it suggests there's a strong upward trend worth exploring. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of investing sentiment, breaking down the data into 17 semantic clusters that help you understand the underlying factors driving this shift. Imagine using this insight to enhance your algorithmic trading strategy, allowing you to enter positions based on real-time sentiment changes. For more details and to integrate this into your workflow, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.